Hello and welcome to our awesome presentation. Seeing as we are not very beautiful, we thought we would spare you from looking at our faces. We hope this works out. So let us begin. Starting a company in Denmark has never been easier than it is today. This is thanks in part due to the modernization and digitalization programs and to new types of companies. As a result, more companies are founded today than ever before. A rise in the number of companies founded of course also means a greater effort is needed toward fraud detection. Seeing as SCAT has completely given up catching the criminals, we thought we'd give them a little help. What we are interested in is to see whether we can find companies with suspicious ties to their accountant. This could for example be a company which is audited by another company owned by the same person. It is always interesting to catch cheaters, but we think this visualization project can reveal certain parts of the country which have a larger tendency for suspicious activity. Our hypothesis is that Jutland might be more lit up than Sealand, not being stereotypical. Okay, maybe. In order to prove or disprove this, the genre should be narrative author driven, in order to control which data is focused on, and what should be highlighted. A slideshow seems to be able to show the data format, where multiple graphs can be shown, and a narrative can be constructed to introduce a hypothesis, show the data, and show a result. To get to our goal, we need the following: the data file, a GeoJSON file, some way to discriminate suspicious activity, coffee and other drugs. Our implementation plan will be a 3-step process. First, the data exploration phase, where we play around with the CVR data to see if we can find more interesting tendencies. Hereafter we have the data cleaning phase, where we clean the data and extract the necessary parts. In the final phase we will be using pandas for retrieving some summary statistics about the data. But the actual meat and potatoes of the phase, and probably the project, will be done using Neo4j, a graph database for discovering interesting relationships in the data. Our everything should be presented, as with the assignments, on a single page app using D3 to create the visualizations. The data we have is 180 megabytes of CSV data containing 747,049 rows. Each row has 20 variables containing, but not limited to, CVR number, company name, form of company, company status, branch code, branch text, creation date, attachment, name, address, post number, foreign address, and so on. The data does not have GeoJSON values, but Google has an address to latitude longitude API that we will use. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for listening.